So, what's it like in the day of a full-time quant trader? There's a lot of people out there talking a lot of smack. There's a lot of people out there making claims, doing a lot of things, playing around, getting attention on Twitter, telling people outright lies. Oh, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and getting a bunch of people to react to their stuff and getting following and whatnot. And then there's those of us who are, I don't know, what's my time right now? It's like 4 a.m. my time, and kids are asleep. It's sometimes it gets a little frustrating thinking about the people that are pretending to do what you're doing. But here's me. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna get off my woe is me soapbox of watching all the people collecting clout and getting follow on places like Twitter and launching new services, etc. And just I'll give you guys a little look here. So I was just running through the last month's stats here. Again, we're coming up on the end of a month, so I'm going to be looking into where can we improve. So look, so we got code over here on the right. It's over here on the right, and most of the time it's going to be over here in the middle if I'm working hard on it. But now I'm in a tweaking phase, so code's off on the right. If I need to make any modifications, I'll bring it over. But this is going through. Of course, we've created the new Enigma algorithm, which is a multi-confluence order flow and structures. A lot of things you guys have used AlgoBox that basically are multiple components plus something new in a series. It's an unlocking of a series. It's very, very cool, very excited, and the results are outstanding. Let's look at, so here's what I'm doing. I'm actually sitting here, middle of the night, and we're making tweaks. So I'm going to come up here. I'm running through multiple back tests right now. I'm through the optimization phase. So I'm back in. I've got a theory on, for instance, I just ran a 30-23. Take profit, 30 ticks, stop target 23. This is actually not filtered. Look at the time filter. This is all day, so overnight and during the daytime as well. I've got the confluence count set to low. We're not even on medium high. I'm going to do some additional runs on confluence changes from low, medium, high. We've got our trade direction both, so this can go both directions. And this is running for the last month here as of today. And just want to see, are there additional tweaks, things that can reduce our drawdown? So I've done a few things to do exactly that. And right now, so this run here, this one ran up over 120,000 plus. I think it was 127. If I flip over to the analysis chart, this one ran and it was right at about 97. But looking at that's not everything, right? Let's look at, what do we want to look at? Things like the drawdown. So come back into summaries, right? So so that's 93 after commission. So this does include the commission estimation and profit factor 1.2, 47%. But see the max drawdown? So there's a $17,000 drawdown in there. Now, mind you, that's not just, okay, you lost 17,000. That's from peak to trough, which a lot of people, even when I say that, still don't know what that is. I can't tell you how many times I get trolled for, this stuff on gross loss. People, I had a guy, ICT student, obviously, who doesn't even understand what gross loss is. Like when you're subtracting out, they don't understand total net profit. It's literally like the total of all summations of losses. And anyways, they're like, what is that gross loss of 400? Anyway, so it's stupid. Sorry, I'm in one of those moods. I'm in a ranty mood at the moment. So I just decided to get this off my chest while I am thinking about it. Okay, so this is a $124,000 run. Look, this one also had a lower drawdown. So see if you can tell between the two, which run am I going to do? Am I going to, what's the percent on that? Yeah, so same percent-ish. Profit factor 127, pretty darn close. But you'll notice that for this one here, higher net profit and lower drawdown. So that was 17,000. This one had a drawdown of only minus 15,000. So, significant differences. Well, it's enough. It's enough to make a change. So this is one where I will keep this one in the bin, save this one off on a spreadsheet that I use that I don't want to put too much stuff in. I think sometimes you get analysis paralysis when you're doing too much. So focusing on factors that matter. Anyhow, life in the day of a day trader, quant with kids. So are you sure you want this? I don't know. I'm out.